I'm sorry, y'all. So this is 5. Put the 50 right there because that's messing me up. What is up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join that shmoney team because we over here lit. And we getting our shmoney together, baby. Okay, I know you guys heard Trance in the intro. So let me just give y'all a fair warning right now. Trance is in my room. He got the little video game. He playing Minecraft. You might hear him in the back. We doing a video with Trance today, y'all. Are y'all queens and kings ready for the largest cash stuffing ever on this channel? Let's get it. Let's go. Okay. Now, I don't know if you're into manifestations or not, but I am a firm believer in the law of attraction and manifestations and everything like that. So, I manifested me some shmoney, y'all. So, let's get to the largest cash stuffing ever on this channel, guys. We are cash stuffing today $1,046. Count this shmoney, y'all, okay? Let's count. Look, she is thick, y'all. Okay, come on, hold on. Let's do a let's do a thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail. Period poo. Period poo. Okay, so let's count this money, y'all. 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. So we'll put 500 right here because sis I be messing up when I be counting. Okay, so this is 50, 70, 90, 110. I don't need your help, Trance. You are messing me up. Let me count it by myself. 50, 70, 90, 110. Y'all. That's because I ain't never counted this much money on my channel, y'all. Hold on. Give me a chance, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 390, 410, 420, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500. So 5, that's 1,000. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Hold on. 500. Hold on. Is this 500 or is this 400? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 500. That's 500. That's 1,000. So 10, 20. I'm not used to counting larger amounts, y'all. But I want to get used to counting larger amounts. You know why? Because I'm manifesting this money, baby. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I've really been working hard, y'all. And I got some more stuff coming. Some more stuff on the way. And I remember, like, when I just wished I had, like, a lot of money to stuff. So, if you don't have as much money to stuff as you want, like, I'm just telling you, just be patient, hold on. Like, do what you can when you can, and just keep a positive mind frame, and always speak positivity into yourself and into your finances. So let's get started. I got my little paper right here. So we are going to start with my high priority. We're going to start with my high priority. Hey, go ahead in the room. Go ahead in the other room. Yeah, go in Kenzie room. Sorry about that, y'all. He was being like extremely, he basically was going to do that through the entire video, and I'm not having that. I'm not having that. So emergency fund, we are putting $80 into our emergency fund. I still have not put this money. This is that $35 that I told you guys I was supposed to put back, but there's only $200. I was supposed to put this 35 back, and we're adding 80. Is that what we're adding? Yeah, we're adding 80. So 20, 40, 60, 80. So we really only have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80. We only have 280. Christmas, we're not getting anything in Christmas right now. Car fund, we are doing $110. So we're going to take a 100 bill and a $10 bill. And I hope I am doing my denominations correctly, y'all. So, oh, wait a minute. Let me update my trackers. I hope this is not going to, you know what? I'll update the trackers later, because I don't want this video to be so long, and sometimes it's harder for me to edit longer videos. So I'll do the updating the trackers like after the video. So we're putting 110 in car. We're not putting anything in tickets and fees. For credit card, we are going to put $15 towards an additional payment in credit cards, and so that's going to be a 10 and a 5. And we already have $1 in there, so we now have 10, 15, $16 in credit card. Y'all, I am so excited for this cash stuffing. Like, really excited. Birthdays, we're not putting anything in birthdays right now. We're not putting anything in birthdays. Business expenses, we are giving ourselves $170. We are definitely running out of certain supplies for both of my business, so that's going to be 100, a 50, and a 20. 150, 170, and that's going into our business expenses, and I believe there's already $1 in there, so we have 171 in our business expenses now. Won't he do it, y'all? Won't he do it? Business taxes, we're not putting anything in business taxes, and we're also not putting anything in the business emergency fund just yet. So that's it for the high priority binder. Let's go to the low priority binder. Oh, remember I said that I wanted to add something to my savings account. My savings account has been at $26, literally. My savings account has been at $26 literally for like the last, I don't know how many months. So yeah, we have our $26 here. We are adding $15. So we're going to add a 10 and we're going to add a 5 to our savings account. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We have $41 in our savings account, which really makes me feel super good to see that growing a little bit. Miscellaneous, we are putting $140 in miscellaneous, and I hope this is not a mistake. Yeah, I hope this is not a mistake, because some of my handwriting was like, I had redid the budget so many times, y'all. Like 120, 140. If it's not right, we're definitely going to go in here and fix this. But I think this is right, because I was saying that we needed more money for miscellaneous just in case something happened. Guys, I've never stuffed this envelope. I actually have put $1 in this envelope. I've never formally really ever been on a vacation with me and my kids as a family, so we are working towards that, and I have had so many other things that have just been quote unquote so much more important, but we are putting $35 in our vacation fund today. A 20, a 10, and a 5. That's 20, 30, 35 in vacation, and 36, there was already $1 in there. So we have 36 in vacation. Other holidays is not getting stuffed. Home will be getting $45, which is 2 20s and a 5. And is there a dollar already in home? Yes, there is. So we now have 20, 40, 45. We have $46 in home. And I will be updating the trackers at a later date. Well, just later after the video. I don't want it to be too long. And then the queen, y'all. The queen. Okay? That's me, baby. I'm getting a whopping $75 because I don't do enough for me. Okay? So we're getting 50, a 20, and a 5. 50, 25. That is 75. Is there anything in here already? I don't think so. Oh, I got money, y'all. Oh, we're going to make some money tonight. We're going to make some money tonight. So we got 50, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So we have $79 in the queen, which is super dope because I deserve something nice. New cell phone is getting nothing, and those are my placeholders. So that's it for the low priority. Now, I'm at the queen, cross that out. Vacation, miscellaneous. So now to the kids binder. We got my girl Kenzie to the baby. Now, she wanted me to give her smaller denominations for her money, but I think what I'll do is just take her to get change because it was easier for me to do this like this. So she's actually getting $60. She's getting $50 in for her cash, and then 10 is going into her actual savings account. So I'm just going to put her $50 in here now, even though I'm giving it to her later. I'm just going to put it in here now so that I won't get it mixed up with anything else. And so let's see what Kenzie already has. I believe she has 11. She has $11 already. So now she has 50, 60, 70, $71. Hopefully she doesn't spend all of her money in one place because mama is trying to help her to be a little bit more responsible. We got little baby next. He is getting $30, so he's getting a 20 and a 10. Trance, he don't really spend a lot of money. He don't be requesting a lot of stuff. You know, he's 4, so he already has, how much does he already have in here? He already has 5, 6, 7, 8. He already have $8, so he has 20, 30, $38. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. He's still singing in the next one, y'all. So, big baby. He had an issue with his computer. So, I'm actually having to get a new hard drive for his computer because he was going to use his $50 out of his $60 to apply for his learner's permit, but his computer did crash. So he needs a new hard drive in his computer. So I told him that to go ahead and get the hard drive in the computer because his computer is how he runs his side business, which he makes music, he makes beats from scratch, and he also does digital art. He does like cover arts and stuff for local rappers and people on Instagram. So and he was looking like a puppy dog, y'all. He was so sad. So I said, you can go ahead and spend your money out of your envelope. And so Jaden's money will be going towards repairing his computer. So my niece and nephew, Ray to the Ray and Stinky Man, they're supposed to be getting $25 a piece. So that's going to be 2 20s and 2 5s. So 20, 40, 45, 50. So this is, yeah, 50. I'm telling you, sometimes these nails just don't want to work with you. And family fun, we're not putting anything, I'm sorry, my little one is disturbing me. Okay, clothes, we're not putting anything in clothes, we're not putting anything in school, and family fun is getting 85. I think I broke it down like 50, 70, 85. I hope I mess up nothing. 50, 70, 80, 85 for family fun, because I know my kids want to go swimming this weekend at the indoor pool, because they know sis not about to sit outside and bake in the sun. So they want to go to the indoor pool, which is really fun because they have an aquatic center right here by my house. But I think we may be going to the one where my daughter's best friend lives. Now I'm going to stuff my cash envelopes. Not all of them, but I guess some, because look. Empty. We out here starving, y'all, okay? So, for gas, we're doing $10. One of my envelopes I split when I was in the store trying to do too much. Oh, y'all, I know y'all gonna be surprised. I am putting money into the fast food envelope. Yeah, this is the one I broke. I'm putting money into the fast food. Wait a minute. Oh, I forgot. I actually took the fast food envelope out because I never put anything in it. So I'm going to have to make a new, I have to make new envelope. I'm going to make new envelopes anyway. I got my Cricut and I want to actually put the words with my Cricut on there. So what I will do is I will put the fast food money in with me and the kids' money for right now. How much is it? It was $25 for the fast food. And then there's going to be $30 for me and the kids. So another $20 and another $10. So all of this will go into my me and the kids envelope for right now. And once I make the envelopes, I think I'm going to make them today because I don't have anything else to do. I've been waiting for this for so long so that I can stuff these guys. It's crazy. Like, I'm going to just probably sit down and figure out my inventory of what I need to buy for, you know, whatever business purchases and stuff that I need to make. And then last but not least, there's $11 going into the household. And I think, yeah, there's $11 going into the household. And that sums up the largest cash stuffing ever. Guys, I really hope that I am able to inspire someone, if not teach someone, because I am just learning myself. But I really appreciate it when you guys comment and you tell me that I'm a really big inspiration. And guys, I feel so regular. You know what I'm saying? Like, I am just your ordinary single mom who is really passionate about art and, you know, and I just want to get my finances together. I just want to become more financially free and debt free and just learn how to manage my money. So I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate you. So I'm just appreciative that there's a community and there is someone and there is a space where that I could come and I could feel comfortable to share with you my finances, my ups and downs, my mistakes, my triumphs. And I really appreciate you guys when you're happy for me. You know, when I'm achieving my goals and when you guys are happy for me and sending me so much positivity. So I'm super, super appreciative of that. So happy. This is the largest cash stuffing ever on my channel, guys. There is so much more to come. If you are not subscribed to the channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button below and that little bell so you can stay notified, so you can join the Shmoney team and begin your money together like me, baby.